Welcome to our PP Crazy YouTube channel. If you don't subscribe our channel, please subscribe this channel for watch different types of tricks, magics and homemade technical things. So today's video is based in homemade remote control car. You will easily know how to make remote control car at home if you watch this video. Let's go. This is a remote control car that I make few days. So this is the remote of this remote control car. It is a homemade, it is not buy from the market, and I will show you how to make remote control car. So I want to show this lights in the top of the car, and there is a charger port and the light on this, and at the under of the car I put the lights, blue light, and I buy the cover of this car in the market, and I join motor and antenna or internal parts. You can see the internal electrics of this car. Next video I will show you how to make this internal car object. So you have to subscribe and press the bell icon of this channel.